Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the SR71 Blackbeard. We're adding a new update. They're putting a new cockpit. As you can see, the cockpit looks actually very not nice. It's bad. And we're going to be showing you how it will look like in the next update. And like these engines, everything else. Everything looks, I mean, you can say that plane looks nice, but like cockpit is like not really good. Except cockpit from the windows, what you see from the cockpit, it looks cute. Looks kind of nice and weird. We're going to be showing you how it will look like. Okay, this is how it will look like. Now, I guess they're gonna add an opening for this thing. Nice, like looks very beautiful. Wow, the way. Okay, this also looks nice from the back. Really nice. And everything else. These engines look nice. Very also. So that's how they made it. Turned it this type of red type of thing. Wonder why there's colors. Okay, and then they put it that. More like that. Then they put it this. Ooh, and then it gets better. Then looks like that. Yeah, very nice, right? But and not at the back thingy. And the wheels, which is weird. Actually, not weird. Actually, that happens. How does it look like right now? You can see by there. That's how it looks like right now. Oh yeah, we showed you how it looks like right now. So we don't need how it looks like on the right now. It's gonna look very beautiful. You know, details. Hopefully they make the nose like something like that. No, that's for the. Yeah, I want them to add a type of. What's this? Weird. Anyways, I want them to add not the. They already have the SR71 Blackbird. Don't upgrade the SR71 Blackbird. Like, SR71 is like way too useless. At least make something better. The Dark Star. Yes, I've been wanting it to come PTFS for a long time. Doesn't really look that nice, but it's gonna look nice. Maybe it's coming tomorrow, or like it's gonna come tomorrow, or or 7 days, or actually 1 week. But yeah, 1 week is 7 days. But actually, it's gonna be very nice. Like, I want to see the front cockpit. Okay. It looks completely beautiful. Look at that. Look at Okay. Bye guys. Again, bye guys, and subscribe that. Subscribe the video and press that like button and share for more.